Every new boat has a shakedown period. I don't care if it's 25 feet or 125 feet. I don't care if it's 50,000 or 50 million. Every new boat has a shakedown period that is at least 6 months. Now, it's frustrating. It's frustrating for me in the boat business. It's frustrating for boat owners. It's especially frustrating for people who are new to boating, buying their first boat, because they see a shiny new boat and they think it's like buying a new Lexus. Unfortunately, it's not. There's many reasons why, but the short of it is that boats are hand-built boats. You don't have the assurance that nothing bad has happened or that nothing is structurally or significantly wrong with the boat. Now, of course, we do surveys, mechanic inspections, and so on, but there are no guarantees with a used boat. And that's what a new boat gives you, guarantee. That's why new boats cost a premium. It's no fun for new boat owners who take delivery of their new boat, and the first weekend they're taking their family and friends out, and one of the engines won't start, there's an alarm going off, etc., etc. It's incredibly frustrating for new boaters, and I don't blame them. They've spent a lot of money, they expect it to be right, but I'm being honest with you, it's just not going to be right with a new boat. Unfortunately, it takes 3 to 6 months to get a new boat dialed in. If you buy a boat like the Jeanneau 12.5 that we showed you at the introduction, you have a boat that has been tweaked, refined, improved, enhanced, and is ready to go. It's really hand-built, by hand, in very small batches, and they operate in ridiculously difficult conditions. So a friend of mine who's a captain says, take your new Lexus, put it in salt water, shake it up, see how well it does. So every new boat, unfortunately, has lots of little things that need to be fixed, repaired, adjusted, tweaked, refined before the owner is really satisfied with it. It's frustrating, but that's the reality of the boat business and the marine industry in general.